Hello, today I will show you how we can write text under the water. So let's come back to our Canva page and choose social media and Instagram post. And here we can search photo. I'm going to left side menu and photos. Click three dots, photos, and I'm searching for photo, mountain under water. And we see this free photo. I'm clicking on this photo and resize it, make it a little bit bigger. Now I will choose other photo. This photo you will find on the link below the video, and you can download it. So I am clicking on the photo and resize it, make it a little bit bigger. And now we can write the text. I'll crop a little bit this photo. Now it is look okay. Now we can write text on the left side menu. I am clicking on the T text and we can choose any font which we like. I'm choosing this one, and now I'm writing wow. And let it make a little bit bigger. Adjust it, and now click button and send it backwards. And here you go. Our text is under the water. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and comment below, and see you in the next tutorial.